So we have LLB honors students here who have already did their graduates, and there are many PhD holders and MBA holders. So how should they underplay their past experience in the legal resume?
I think nobody should underplay their past experiences. What they should do is they should actually start building on them. If you've already completed your undergraduate, you can write very strongly that with strong, let's say you did a BA psychology, with strong fundamental understanding of a psychology and how humans would prefer interacting. I have keen interest in, let's say, criminal law, and would like to use my skill set and the knowledge gained in my previous experience of a formal education to advance my career to be a better criminal lawyer. If you want to go in corporate, understanding corporate psychology is important. If you want to get into education, understanding the psychology of a student is important. If you've done commerce and not psychology, you can clearly write that using the skills and the knowledge acquired during my previous formal education in management and commerce, I would like to become a stronger professional in taxation laws, in commercial laws, in corporate laws, any of these. If you've done technology as a BTech or a BSc, you can very well say, with an advanced understanding of the technological know-how or how things function, I would like to use the skill set acquired in my previous formal education to go out and solve the challenges that a good number of lawyers would face in understanding the technology, because judges also struggle with a lot of technology and tech-based laws.
Okay.
If you're a PhD student, do not hesitate in mentioning that you've done an LLB and an LLM. You can very strongly write, as an individual with very strong fundamentals and having completed my bachelor's and an advanced degree in law, over the last half decade, I have acquired skills in X, Y, and Z with my current research area or my current interest area in A, B, and C. I would like to use this opportunity to fruitfully use my skills or my knowledge acquired and further advance my capabilities of research to bring in results for the organization, or to be more efficient for the organization, or to be more efficient for your office, which could be for an independent lawyer. If you have formal education beforehand, do not downplay it. You don't have to boast about it, but you definitely have to very strategically highlight it. And that is simply because you spend so much time, effort, money, everything in getting what you've got. So don't downplay it ever, because the moment you downplay it, you're comparing yourself to, let's say, if you're an LLB student, you're probably comparing yourself then to a first year of the 5-year course, because the first year of the 5-year course is also someone who's a new entrant. You, on the other hand, have already spent time, understood what college life is, understood how people like to work, and engaged with people, done college events. That puts you as a stronger professional. That may not have given you a lot of legal knowledge, but as a professional, you're further up the ladder. Ensure that it is rightly represented to a recruiter, because if you don't represent, they will never know.